When an elderly loved one breaks a bone in a nursing home, it's rarely just age. It's often a sign that someone failed to protect them. Because behind every accident in a nursing home, there's usually a system that broke long before the bone did. I once helped a family whose mother suffered a hip fracture after being left unattended in her wheelchair. The staff claimed she rolled herself out, but surveillance footage revealed her brakes weren't locked, her call light had gone unanswered for 40 minutes, and she had been left alone in a hallway. That single fall changed everything. She went through surgery, months of painful recovery, and lost her ability to walk independently again. The home called it an unfortunate event, but in court, we proved it was negligence, and that verdict didn't just bring justice, it brought accountability. In one case, our firm obtained a $735,000 settlement for a woman who fell from an unattended wheelchair, suffering multiple fractures to her leg and spine. Under U.S. elder negligence and personal injury law, nursing homes are legally required to maintain safe environments and provide mobility assistance to residents at risk of falls or injuries. When a fracture occurs due to poor supervision, unsafe conditions, or understaffing, the facility can be held liable for negligence. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, reports that over 300,000 elderly Americans are hospitalized every year for hip fractures, and a significant percentage of those injuries occur inside nursing homes. The National Institute on Aging adds that a single fracture doubles the risk of death within 6 months for older adults. These aren't random numbers. They represent lives upended by carelessness. A missed safety check, an untrained aide, or a broken handrail can turn routine care into tragedy. If your loved one suffered a broken bone in a nursing home, please don't accept the phrase, "these things happen." Every resident deserves supervision, safety, and dignity. These injuries are almost always preventable, and when they're not prevented, someone is responsible. Filing a claim isn't about revenge. It's about setting a standard of care so no other family has to live the same pain. When you hold a negligent facility accountable, you protect every resident who still depends on that system. If your family member broke a bone or suffered a fracture in a nursing home, reach out for a free confidential consultation. For a free consultation, call now 800-926-7565. For more information, please visit nursinghomelawcenter.org.